You're not wanting. You're not going to want to miss this magnificent ranch home on 4.7 breathtaking acres in Wildwood. This low-maintenance brick home offers 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Gleaming hardwood floors with high ceilings move you into the great room and formal dining room. Numerous windows, crown molding, and a grand fireplace are also featured. This home also offers a lot of great space for entertaining guests. It's in a convenient location in the Eureka School District. Shelly would be happy to show you around this property. Give her a call at 636-288-0910.